Welcome to this Enterprise Manager for SCCM quick video. Let's take a typical scenario. I work on the service desk. I've just received a call from a user who'd like to have their software delivered to them as fast as possible. How do I achieve that with SCCM Enterprise Manager? We reskin SCCM and provide a simple console that allows the service desk person to select tasks and to select PCs it can be applied to without having to go into the SCCM console. So I'm going to create a new task here called WinZip installation, and that then allows me to pick various computers that I can apply this to. Now if I know the name of the user, I can simply type in the name of the user and it will search through the PCs to find the right one. Alternatively, if I know something like the asset number, which might be on the front of the PC and the user can tell me that, and again I can type in the asset number and that will again search through and find the correct PC. Once I've got the correct PC, and this could be multiple PCs of course, I can select the rollout plan, and the rollout plan is all of the predefined tasks that I'm allowed to carry out from the service desk. In this case I've picked install WinZip, and then that allows me to push directly or let the user schedule when they'd like the execution to take place. All I do then is next, done. And now let's switch to the user's view of this delivery. They get a pop-up, and if they click on the pop-up they get a screen that tells them what's going to happen, and they have the choice of being able to schedule what's going to happen for some other time, or they can schedule it immediately. If they click immediately, they get information about what's happening, what's available to them, and as the process carries out, we'll see green ticks showing us when something's finished. The user can also reinstall any of these pieces of software themselves if they choose to. The software is delivered, everything works, and so we're now in a position where the installation is finished. Back to the service desk view, how do I know that the installation's taken place successfully? Well, if I look at my rollout tasks, I can go into the detail of a particular rollout task and look at the status. I can get basic status such as progress, pass, fail, and I can also go into a lot more detail to understand whether the user scheduled it for a different time and they're waiting themselves, or whether there's been an error and what that error code is.